Hi, my name is Cameron. I've just completed the 200-hour course here at Vinyasa Yogashala in India. It's definitely been an experience that I have experienced. I think being in India is a big part of this course. The culture and everything is something you quickly become submerged in. The order of the day and the discipline that is taught to you via the schedule is something you just find yourself in, and it becomes, it penetrates to the deepest part of you, and it becomes who you are while you're here. And that is quite educational, and you learn a lot. Probably. I did. And I'm really glad I came.